Imagine standing on the brink of a financial opportunity, a moment where you can either seize the day or watch others thrive while you stand still. We are growthsense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. Have you ever considered how investing in out-of-state real estate could not only diversify your portfolio, but also open doors to lucrative possibilities that are just waiting for you? In today's discussion, we will explore the top cities for real estate investments that can help minimize your risks and maximize your returns. Let's dive into those standout locations. Number 1. Austin, Texas. This vibrant city is driven by a booming tech industry and a rapidly growing population. With a consistent demand for rental properties, especially in areas like East Austin and South Congress, the potential for rental yields of 6 to 8% makes it quite appealing. The average home price hovers around $550,000, significantly lower than tech giants like San Francisco. So, if you're looking for a blend of culture and opportunity, Austin delivers. Number 2. Phoenix, Arizona. Here you'll find a strong rental market fueled by an influx of residents from more expensive states. Home values have risen about 10% annually, especially in neighborhoods like downtown Phoenix and Arcadia, making it an attractive option for investors. With average rents reaching $2,000 for a 2-bedroom apartment, the cash flow potential is hard to ignore. Monitoring local economic indicators, such as a low unemployment rate of around 3.5%, signals a thriving market. Number 3. Nashville, Tennessee. This city has become a bustling hub thanks to its strong economy driven by the healthcare and entertainment industries. The influx of new residents seeking rentals means there's great demand. Properties near music venues can enhance your rental income, especially during peak tourism seasons. Nashville's cultural draw is not just an asset, it's a boon for investors. Number 4. Raleigh-Durham, North Carolina. With several universities contributing to a high demand for rentals, this area boasts a robust job market fueled by technology and healthcare sectors. The ongoing research initiatives here promise future job creation and population growth. Keep an eye on local university developments. They often lead to increased housing demand. Number 5. Boise, Idaho. Over the last decade, this city has seen remarkable home value appreciation, attracting families and professionals alike with its beautiful landscapes. The community engagement here fosters a strong sense of belonging, a feature that renters cherish. Look for revitalizing neighborhoods that offer lower entry prices with significant appreciation potential. Number 6. Charlotte, North Carolina. This major financial hub boasts a growing job market with low vacancy rates and rising rental prices indicating healthy housing demand. The city's commitment to improving public transport can enhance property values in neighborhoods near transit lines. Consider investing in areas undergoing infrastructure upgrades for quick increases in property values. Number 7. Las Vegas, Nevada. Beyond its reputation for tourism, Las Vegas has a diverse economy that includes healthcare and technology sectors. Significant infrastructure investments ensure long-term growth potential here. Plus, the city's focus on sustainable development attracts modern renters who value green living. Investing in these cities is not just about numbers. It's about understanding the key factors driving today's real estate market. An influx of millennials and Gen Z into urban areas looking for vibrant communities fuels rental demands in places like Austin and Phoenix. Additionally, fluctuating interest rates present both challenges and opportunities for savvy investors who can navigate financing creatively. Let's talk about emerging neighborhoods worth watching. In Austin, the East Riverside area is gaining traction with average home values climbing around 15% annually due to urban development plans. In Phoenix, Arcadia is becoming a hotspot characterized by charming homes and access to top-rated schools, perfect for long-term rentals. Now, why should you consider investing in out-of-state real estate at all? First, it allows diversification of your portfolio beyond local markets, reducing risk against local downturns. Second, it offers access to emerging markets with high growth potential that may not exist in your home state. Third, many out-of-state markets provide higher rental yields compared to saturated local areas, often resulting in better cash flow opportunities. As you contemplate the financial future that lies ahead, remember that out-of-state real estate investments can provide not just security, but also growth and opportunity. Armed with the right information and connections, like those found at growthsense.com, you can navigate this journey with confidence and clarity. Stay tuned for more insights into what makes these cities tick and how you can make them work for you. And remember to visit growthsense.com because finding a quality investment home is crucial when it comes to cash flow. The road ahead is filled with potential. Don't miss out on what these vibrant cities have to offer.